Hello and welcome to your business update for Wednesday, April 29th, 2026. From the push for industrialization in West Africa to record-breaking payouts in the banking sector, here is what we have on the docket this afternoon. We start with Nigeria making a strategic play to move from being a primary producer to a dominant industrial force in the global share market. Speaking at the Shea 2026 conference in Accra, trade officials emphasized that Nigeria will account for 40% of global shea nut supply, will no longer settle for raw exports. Under the renewed hope agenda, the government is shifting focus towards domestic processing and agro-industrialization to create jobs and capture more value from the multi-billion-dollar industry. And investors in Guaranty Trust Holding Company, GTCO, are seeing green as shareholders officially approve a massive 466.38 billion naira dividends payout for the 2025 business year. The move highlights the continued resilience of Nigeria's Tier 1 banks despite a high interest rate environment. Shareholders praised the board for its innovation and record-breaking returns during a period of significant banking recapitalization reforms. And in a major shift for continental energy security, several East African nations are reportedly in talks to establish a unified fuel supply chain anchored by the Dangote Refinery in Lagos. This comes as global conflict continues to disrupt traditional supply routes, driving up energy costs. The move aims to reduce Africans' reliance on European and Asian refined products, leveraging Nigeria's refining capacity to stabilize fuel prices across the East African region. And over to the Nigerian exchange, it hits a new milestone this week with the all-share index surging 2.23% to a record of 228,579.80 points. This rally boosted market capitalization by 3.2 trillion naira, pushing year-to-date returns to nearly 47% and maintaining the local bourse's status as a global top performance in 2026. Structurally, the exchange has successfully transitioned to its new extended trading hours, now running from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. daily. This shift aims to deepen liquidity and better align with international financial hubs, marking a strategic new era for the Nigerian capital amid strong investors' confidence. And also, finally, in the world of safe havens, this narrative is changing. Gold, typically the go-to refuge during conflict, has actually lost some lustres this morning. Prices are hovering around $4,873 per ounce as investors liquidate holdings to raise cash for higher yielding equity opportunities. This liquidity crunch in traditional assets is steering more focus towards our capital core, specifically agribusinesses and green bonds. For those looking to hedge against this inflation, these local productive sectors are increasingly looking like the new safe bets. That's your business update for today.